Hi friends, this is Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today what I have is a 10 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm planning to do 2 blooms. I'm trying to keep it with just 2 blooms. Sometimes I get carried away, but hopefully today it's just going to be 2. I'm going to make them bigger than usual and see if that'll be enough, for the canvas. And what I want to do is I want to make the blooms in such a way so that I don't have to stretch them out too much and then they lose their shape. That's the hard part about them, because if you have to get the paint off the canvas, then you do have to spin it or you have to tilt it, and it doesn't maintain its shape that way. So what I'm trying to do is find a way for it to keep its shape. So maybe eventually I'll find it, but it hasn't really happened yet. So we'll try it. I have the paints mixed with floetrol and about a tablespoon of medium. Any medium will work. And then the cell activator is going to be black oxide paint with Australian floetrol. And I'm putting a base down right now of white paint that's made with Artist Loft white and floetrol. And I have a mixture of a few different colors here today. This is teal that's going on right now. I'm going to try to put the same colors on each bloom so it kind of turns out, sort of the same. And then this is cobalt blue. Almost running out of that in the bottle. And that is by Amsterdam. Now this is a deep violet, and it's by Liquitex. It's a really pretty color. That's just a lighter violet color. I believe that's by Liquitex too, but I'm not sure. I have had these paints sitting. And this is Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Now this is the Blue-Green by Pebeo. It's a metallic color. It's beautiful. They're all beautiful colors. I think that's why I love this art so much. I just love all the colors. Makes me happy. I think it makes everyone happy to do art, because it's so soothing and it's so peaceful. It's sort of like a meditation. And then you never know how it's going to turn out in this kind of art, the fluid art, because every single time it's different. I think that's the thrill of it too. I don't know, I just love not knowing how it's going to turn out and being surprised every time. And sometimes it turns out gorgeous, and sometimes you're not quite as happy with it. But, usually you can make them into something beautiful if you just go with the flow, like whatever turns out, there's a way to make it beautiful. I like this little hair dryer. It's a mini hair dryer that they use for traveling, and it seems to work really well for blowing out the blooms. For me, I prefer it. Everyone has a different opinion over which hair dryer they like to use. But I like this one because it's easy to maneuver for me. Now, if I was doing a bigger canvas and big, huge blooms, I'd probably use a larger hair dryer for that.